Good afternoon, student. As I am discussing a control statement, and our topic of this week is a control statement. First part, one part I'm going to discuss. Next, I'm going to discuss the control statement, another section. So slowly and slowly, I'm going to discuss all the sections. This is what this is. I am doing the revision of the particular chapter. Our chapter is Introduction to Python, and under Introduction to Python, the point that I am discussing control statement. Under control statement, I am discussing only one particular section, that is using the if conditions. Okay, decision making using the if conditions. Then I am going to discuss about the while condition, then for conditions, using the for conditions, how to make the decision. So all the things I am going to discuss you part by part. So if condition, so first program I have shown you in my first video, previous video. Now this is the second program that I want to show to you. In the second video, you will see it. This is the program, second program, where I have used a particular thing. What is that? That I equals to int input, enter the number. Okay? Int input, enter the number. What does it defines? It defines that previous I have taken num. Now instead of num, what I am taking here? I. So why I have taken? So I want to show you that I can take any pattern of variables here, except which are reserved, which are used as a particular statement, which are the reserved function. Okay, so those things we cannot use. That means any reserved word, any keyword, any reserved functions, any function name, that cannot be used as a variable. Clear? So now int means it is an integer type of value. Input, what to input? Input, enter a number. That means this is the instruction is been given to the user. Now it is shown, see here, if I less than 15, okay, then print I is smaller than 15, I am in first block. That means I am in if block. Else print I is greater than 15, I am in else block. Okay, now there I have written one thing, you check it very nicely. What is this? That I am not in if and not in else block. Now how it will going to execute? First let us run the program and see, then I am going to discuss the thing. Okay, the first part, suppose I am giving here 34, enter. You have seen it. Next again I am running the program. F5 also you can press to run the program. So here I am giving suppose 10. So here you see that in each of the cases it gives you some output. When I have entered, when I have entered 34, what it is said? I is greater than 15. Okay, I is greater than 15. I am in else block. I am not in if and not in else block. Second part you see it, that I is smaller than 15. I am in if block. I am not in if, not in else. Now why it is coming again and again? The question is that first and foremost, alignment. How a thing has been aligned. Okay. So since the alignment in the Python program, alignment is very important, number one, and it is very sensitive program. Okay, so alignment, how it is aligned? See, under the if condition, this two statement has been given. Under the else condition, this two statement has been given. So if this condition is satisfied, that means if it is a true part, then this two will print. If this condition doesn't satisfy, then it will come to the false part, this two will print. Now this particular thing is not in any group. So it is printing with each and every section. Okay, this is printing with an each and every section, and it gives the output. So it is not executing with a loop. This section which I have highlighted is not executing with a loop, but the first section and the second section is executing with a loop. So this is what the control statement is. That means I am showing you that first two section I have controlled. but the